Also my last year with you. So I know it came as a surprise for most of you, but yeah, it has been planned. Sorry kayo sa mga last na kahibaw, and sorry sa mga nakahibaw nga dili ako may nagsulti. It was not my intention. Nalagi ba ni Orlando nga dili ka kahubo. Pero thank you so much sa first years for keeping it a secret for a few months. Pero wala nga, I may be leaving together with the fourth years, but I hope kung sa mga sa 2 academic years nga nag-uban ta, I learned so much from you guys. And I sure will miss you, right? And kung kinsa man gani ang mapuli nako, I hope di ba ko kasulti nga dako kay kong contribution sa is just 2 years, but I hope he will guide or she will guide you he or she will guide you properly. Dili mo niya pasagdan, dili mo niya kanang ipitol, kanang i-limit ang inyong creativity. So, I will always be looking out for mga productions ninyo. I will still be watching. Siguro di ko magsaba kung kano sa. But anyway, for third years, second years, and first years, please take care of each other. I'm sure the fourth years at some point malik na sila because some of them might be teaching. Siguro usahan din nila ang mahimo ninyong advisor, pohon. But yes, basta kamoy na'y bahala sa usa-usa. I will still be seeing you but not as often as we do, as we have. So thank you so much for the experience.